Hello, Bargain Hacker. How are you today? What a time to be alive, right? Alright, so here's the thing. How can we, investors who don't have big capital to start with, thrive in the stock market without having to pay huge fees to fund managers and still be very profitable? Those videos will give you the answers, so welcome home. Alright, my friend. So, today, for those who don't know me first, my name is Tommy. I'm the co-founder of Bargainland, where you are only one bargain away. And today, we're going to explore a useful way to look at investments in terms of bets. So this is why I encourage so many people to play poker, even for a few dollars, to understand how to think in terms of investing money and thinking in bets. All right? So today I'm going to introduce you the book of Annie Duke, Thinking in Bets, Making Smarter Decisions When You Don't Have All the Facts. So she explains the importance of thinking in terms of bets when making decisions. This way of thinking can help us make better decisions by considering all the possible outcomes and their likelihood, okay? Rather, than relying on gut feelings or overconfidence in our abilities, which I used to do a lot, okay? So in this article, we'll explore the basics of thinking in terms of bets and how it can be applied to your everyday life. Ready? All right. So, the first step in thinking in terms of bets is to consider all the possible outcomes of a decision. For example, if you're deciding whether to invest in a certain stock, you should think about all the different ways the stock could perform, right? So, it could go up, could stay the same, or it could go down. So by considering all the possible outcomes, you'll be better prepared to make a decision that take into account, all the risks and rewards. So the next step is to assign probabilities to each outcome. Based on your research and analysis, you should be able to assign a percentage chance to each outcome. This will help you evaluate the potential risks and rewards of each decision. For example, if you think there's a 70% chance, okay, that the stock is going up and a 30% chance that the stock will go down, you'll be able to make a more informed decision about whether to invest, right? Okay. Then what? Well, once you've considered all the possible outcomes and assigned probabilities to each one, you can then think about the potential payoff of each outcome. Amazing, right? Okay, so this is where you'll start to think in terms of bets. Essentially, you're betting on the outcome that you think is most likely to happen. In the stock market example, you're betting that the stock will go up because you believe there's a 70% chance it will, okay? So you're also considering what you would gain or lose from that outcome. Agree? Okay. And so thinking in terms of bets can also help you better evaluate your decision-making process. By considering all the possible outcomes, assigning probabilities, and evaluating potential payoffs, you'll be able to identify any biases or flawed thinking that may be affecting your decisions. For example, I've got those numbers, but I love this company so much. Oh, but it's been 2 years I have this stock in my portfolio, Those kind of flawed thinking is not relevant, okay? The numbers, they give you the right projection of what you can expect. So this can help you correct those issues and make better decisions in the future. Cool, right? Okay. So Annie Duke's book, we highly recommend it. It shows that thinking in terms of bet isn't just for the professional poker players or even investors, okay? Because by considering all the possible outcomes and assigning probabilities, we can make better decisions, okay, in all areas of our lives, whether it's at work, in relationships, or any other situation where uncertainty, is present. For example, I used to work in a restaurant, and then I was, building my business and investing, okay, in the stock. But I had to use the computer all day, so I had to learn how to type. And you know, learning a new skill is expensive. It costs you time, okay? Not only money, really, it costs you time. But it allows me to take low risk because the worst that can happen is that I, you know, spend a few dollars a month to learn that skill, okay? But the rewards is that I'm gonna be 10 times faster, I'm gonna be more creative, I'm gonna have more time to think, and I'm gonna do it all my life, so I will have a skillful life. It's amazing, right? So that's what I want you to think about, you know, to start to think in terms of bets, because it's a powerful way to make more informed and deliberate decisions and to evaluate how well they're working out over time. All right? Cool. Shall we wrap this up? Okay. So, in conclusion, I repeat again, but it's important for you to grasp the concept. Thinking in terms of bets can help us make better decisions by considering all the possible outcomes and their likelihood, and by evaluating the potential payoff of each outcome, okay? We're able to make more informed and deliberate decisions that take into account all the risks and rewards. It's a powerful way of thinking that can be applied to all areas of our lives, wherever uncertainty is present. Okay. So, at Bargainland, we invite you to take the next step and start applying thinking in terms of bets to your everyday decisions. So take time to reflect on the decision you have to make. Think about all the possible outcomes, assign probabilities and payoffs to each one, and see how this approach can change your decision-making process. And also, don't hesitate to share your results and experience with us, or to reach out to us if you have any questions or feedback. We'll be happy to help. But most of all, I would like you to leave a comment to inspire others. All right? And if you want more, well, you know where to find us. You get the free ebooks just down here in the description, where we share uncommon views about the stock market. And then you also have the Twitter link just down below, and the website also. And we see you on the next one.